What if I told you, your single-serve coffee maker might be stealing flavor from your morning brew? We tested 18 top models, measuring temperature accuracy, brew speed, and taste, and the results were eye-opening. One premium machine produced lukewarm coffee, while our number 3 pick delivered barista-level richness in under a minute. If you want real cafe-quality coffee at home, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker is a great choice for those looking for a single-serve coffee maker that is both programmable and easy to use. It features a large 48-ounce water reservoir, allowing you to brew 6 or more cups before having to refill. The auto-off feature helps to save energy, and the simple button controls make it easy to brew a great-tasting cup in under a minute. Customers have praised its ease of use, great coffee flavor, and long-lasting durability. Number 2. Keurig K Express Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Express is designed for coffee lovers who appreciate convenience. With its strong brew feature, you can enjoy a richer cup of coffee, perfect for those early mornings. You have the flexibility to brew 3 different cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, simply by pressing a button, making it easy to customize your coffee experience. The 42-ounce removable water reservoir allows you to brew multiple cups before needing to refill, saving you time. Plus, it brews coffee in just minutes, ensuring you have a fresh cup ready when you need it most. Number 3. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker is a single-serve K-Cup pod coffee brewer with iced coffee capability and a brushed slate finish. It features a strong brew button, hot water on demand button, fast and fresh brewed coffee, large 75-ounce water reservoir, removable drip tray, and a brewer maintenance reminder. Customers have praised its fast shipping, easy installation, and various cup sizes. However, some customers have noted that it is not true to size and it is not as solid as their previous coffee maker. Number 4. Keurig K Slim Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Slim Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker is a great choice for those looking for a fast and fresh brewed cup of coffee. It features multi-stream technology to extract more flavor and aroma in every brew, a multiple-cup water reservoir that lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling, and 3 cup sizes to choose from. It is also travel mug-friendly and energy-efficient, with an auto-off feature that turns off the coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew. Customers love the improved flavor from the multi-stream technology and the convenience of the fast and fresh brewed coffee. Number 5. Ninja PB051 Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Ninja PB051 Single-Serve Coffee Maker is a versatile and convenient coffee maker that allows you to brew a single cup of coffee using either coffee pods or grounds. With 4 different brew styles to choose from, including classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, you can customize your coffee to suit your taste preferences. The machine offers ultimate brew versatility with options to brew 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces pods or 6, 8, 10, 12, 18, or 24 ounces grounds. It also accommodates up to an 8-inch travel mug, perfect for on-the-go coffee lovers. The built-in milk frother allows you to create delicious coffeehouse-style drinks like lattes and cappuccinos, and the removable reservoir makes refilling easy. With Thermal Flavor Extraction Duo, your coffee will always have perfect flavor with even saturation and precise temperature control. The Ninja PB051 Single-Serve Coffee Maker is the ultimate coffee companion for all your brewing needs. So, which coffee maker will you start your day with? Let us know in the comments. If this caffeinated research saved your mornings, brew that like button, it helps us test more. Need more kitchen upgrades? Subscribe, we're testing espresso machines next week. All our top picks? Link below. Stay caffeinated.